Ang kahalagahan po dito ng ating project, no, especially the rehabilitation of this particular section, is that it will improve, no, the road connectivity. It will promote faster travel, no, that will cater to all the commuters from Barangay Pangdan, Cantauan, all the way down to Uniagan. So the visit of President, no, has a major impact on the remaining scope of work siguro sa project, and also to give moral, no. His Excellency Mr. President, salamat po sa pagbisita talaga dito sa aming project Metro Cebu Expressway. It will really strengthen, no, our effort, no. Talagang malaking boost sa aming moral, sa aming strength to really improve further our services with regard to promoting the faster completion of this project. And probably that is just a start, no, because marami po pang aming mga project na dapat naming i-implement for the benefit of the Cebu province and the rest of the region.
Good morning. Nandito tayo sa isang section ng Metro Cebu Expressway na nasira 2 years ago, noong 2024. So finally, pinangako natin na matatapos ito by June. Ito na ngayon tayo para tignan at inspeksyonin. Malaking bagay ito because napakasama nung daan noon na yung ginagawa ng kanilang planta, yung lente na sa telepono. Dahil sa pagkalubak, yung itong produkto nila, pag dumadaan dito sa daan na ito, nababasag. Nababasag yung lente na kanilang ginawa. Kaya napakasayang naman. So good. At may isa pang daan, there's another section na dito papunta rin, ginagamit din nila. That will be finished within a year from now. So patuloy lang ang ating ginagawa. At ito dapat 2 lanes lang ito eh. Pero pinaspas natin, kaya nangyari na 24/7, nakagawa tayo ng 4 lanes. Kaya kahit na may mangyari dito sa pagguho dito, pag masara ito, meron pa rin tayong 2 lanes. Kaya medyo mas maganda ngayon ang sitwasyon.
We are now passable 4 lanes. So 2 lanes lang.
Kaya maayos na.
Maraming salamat.